...2018 67 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D AMG line premium. This car does come with 4 20-inch alloys in perfect condition, finished in black. Coming round to the front, we've got the Pan America style grille with the blacked out Mercedes badging and LED lights. Another look at one of these alloy wheels just here. Coming up, we've got the electric power folding wing mirrors, privacy glass, black trim around the windows, and the panoramic sunroof just there as well. We've also got the side steps at the side of the vehicle. Coming to the rear, we have got front and rear parking sensors, as well as a rear reversing camera, black exhaust tips, power assisted tailgate as well. Another look at one of these alloy wheels and the side steps just there. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. I'm now going to show you the interior. We have got full leather inside here with ISO fixed points, storage behind the front seats. On the doors, we've got wooden and leather trim with brushed metal handle, electric windows and integrated speakers. Coming into the front, I'll step in out of the wind, start the car up, foot on the brake, push the button, and we are away. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 19,000 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. On the side here, we've got electric windows as well as electric power folding wing mirrors, lock, unlock buttons, electric memory heated seats. Just show you that they work. Just there. You've then got a multifunctional steering wheel, different controls whilst you're on the go, paddle shifters for taking manual control, as well as cruise control and speed limiter, and an electrically adjustable steering wheel, as you can see. Coming on to the infotainment system, we've got navigation just here. Show you the map open there. We've then got DAB radio, media connectivity and telephone connectivity. Also, if we go into the settings, look through here, we have got ambient lighting. Click on this, see we can change the colours. Nice little feature. Then if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got the reverse camera and reverse sensors just there. Put the vehicle into park, back into nav, and then we have got different driving modes too in this vehicle. We've got Eco, Comfort, Sports, Sport Plus and Individual. Coming down, we've got dual climate zone control as well as stereo controls. Then we've got the control wheel as well as the mode select, button for the parking sensors, manual control, start stop technology, volume, button to turn off and on the screen just there, and traction control as well. We've then got the leather armrest just here, which also doubles up as storage space inside, and of course the panoramic sunroof in this vehicle, which works as perfectly as it should. Close that up for you now. As you can tell, no awkward movements, no awkward sounds. And then just close the blind for you there as well. The vehicle is ready to drive away with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive finance, a fresh MOT, fresh service, and is also HPI clear. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D 4MATIC AMG line premium. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also talk about some of the vehicle's functions, for example the cruise control just here. Simply flip the switch this way towards me and adjust it by going up or down, and we're now cruising at 60 miles an hour. To disengage this, simply push away and we're back to driving normally. We've also got manual control with the paddle shifters here, so I'm currently in 7th, down into 6th, down into 5th, back up to 6th and back into 7th. As you can see by my movements and the surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions, no jerky movements, no knocks or bangs. We're just approaching a roundabout now. I'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with me today. It's a great place to be inside here. We've got the electric memory heated seats just here. As you can see, they are on at the moment and incredibly easy to adjust. This is a car you could easily do 2, 3, 400 miles in even and get out feeling fresh. We've also got a very spacious boot in the back with the power assisted tailgate, so you don't even need to open the door. Just going around the bend here. We've then got the different driving modes as well. So I'm currently in eco, preserving as much fuel as possible. So we've got the start-stop technology at traffic lights, it'll turn off. And then we can change our driving style and make them more sporty if we would like as well. Here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although COVID-19 has had a huge effect on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, sanitize the keys, and do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. This is to ensure both your safety and our own. We are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, and many more on other sites such as Car Gurus. If you check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers do really reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back for the next vehicle when the time is due. I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and show you that the reverse works exactly how it should. We are also on social media. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram. I'll just do an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, works completely as it should. Put the vehicle into reverse. We've got the reversing camera with sensors there as well. Go back into drive. This is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside and work out what kind of deal you could get. Obviously that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make and model of that vehicle, and yeah, we'll let you know. If there's anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around, or this driving review, I'll just open up the sunroof there for us as well. Yeah, let us know and we'll be happy to do a FaceTime video call with yourselves, walk around the vehicle, show any specific components, answer any specific questions, and really just show you what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.